How you feel? How you feel? How you feel? 25 sitting on 25 mil. I'm in the building and I'm feeling myself. Rest in peace, Meg Gray. I'ma do it for the band, okay? Give me pain, we'll holler whenever that's time. My team good, we don't really need a mascot. Tell tune light one, pass it like a relay.
Yeah, I got the Acura RSX steering wheel, but this is Honda Prelude. I haven't hit red line yet. There's just a little revving going on, but nothing red line yet. See that gas coming out the exhaust. Yeah.
The model to be YOLO and we bout it every day, every day, every day. They be sitting on the bench, so we don't really play every day.
I want to get this girl to red line before I turn this video off. And I will get her there in another minute or so. See how she shifts like a dream. The ABS light and the SRS light. The passenger side the passenger side airbag is gone, and the ABS pump is giving me a little bit of problems. But other than that, really good for me. I hope you guys can hear me over the exhaust, but if you can't, small price to pay. Alright, after I make this turn over here, there's a turn coming up. I make this turn, I'm gonna punch it. And from there, we'll say goodbye. Here for my people in New Mexico, all my boys in Canada, my homies in PA. You know what I mean? I see you guys. Hope you guys see me, baby. Alright, here we go. Little red line action. Okay. She got some balls yet? You got a problem selling now. One hands on my mind, and I'm gonna run this town tonight, bitch.